To use SneakAI, you need one thing, an API key from an AI provider. SneakAI is bring your own key, which means you stay in full control and only pay for what you actually use. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and get your API key from all 4 supported providers: Google Gemini, OpenRouter, NVIDIA, and Groq, and exactly where to paste them inside SneakAI. Let's go. First, bring up SneakAI using Command-Shift-H, then head into Settings and click on Providers. This is where all your API keys live. You can add one provider or all 4. SneakAI will use whatever you've set up. Now let's get those keys. First up, Google Gemini. This is the recommended default provider and the one I personally use with SneakAI. It's fast, accurate, and the free tier is generous enough to get started. Go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. Click Get API Key at the top left, then hit Create API Key. Select any project, or create a new one, and your key will be generated instantly. Copy that key. Now go back to SneakAI, open Settings, Arrow Providers, find the Gemini section, paste it in, and hit Save. That's it. Gemini is now connected. Next, OpenRouter. This one's great if you want access to multiple AI models through a single key: GPT, Claude, Mistral, and more, all from one place. Head to OpenRouter.ai and create a free account. Once you're in, click on your profile, go to Keys, and hit Create Key. Give it a name, something like SneakAI, and copy the key that appears. Back in SneakAI, Settings, Arrow Providers, paste it into the OpenRouter field, and save. Done. Third, NVIDIA. If you want to run powerful models hosted on NVIDIA's infrastructure, this is your key. Go to build.nvidia.com, sign in or create a free NVIDIA developer account. Once inside the catalog, look for any model, click Get API Key from the top right. It'll prompt you to create or select an org, then generate your key. Copy it, head back to SneakAI, Settings, Providers, paste it in the NVIDIA field, and save. And last, Groq. Groq is built for speed. If you want the fastest possible response time, ultra-low latency AI, Groq is the one. Back in SneakAI, Settings, Providers, paste it into the Groq field and save. All 4 providers are now set up. So just to recap, you've now added Gemini, OpenRouter, NVIDIA, and Groq, all inside SneakAI's settings. You don't need all 4. Even just Gemini is enough to get started. But having multiple gives you flexibility. Now let's switch over to Windows. Everything we just did for fetching the API keys, the the signups, the key generation, that's the same on Windows. You do it in exactly the same way from any browser, so we're skipping that part. What I want to show you now is where you paste those keys inside the Windows version of SneakAI. On Windows, bring up SneakAI using Control-Shift-H, then go into Settings, you'll find it in the same place, and click Providers. The interface is identical. You have the same 4 fields: Gemini, OpenRouter, NVIDIA, and Groq. Paste your keys into whichever providers you've set up and hit Save. Gemini, paste and save. OpenRouter, paste and save. NVIDIA, paste and save. Groq, paste and save. That's your Windows setup done.